CruzTOOLS. Everything you need and nothing you don't.
Ian here with CruzTOOLS, and this is the Roadtech Teardrop toolkit for Harley-Davidson. Let's take a look and see what it's got. This Harley-Davidson specific toolkit includes a 1/4" drive ratchet with a short extension and 4 sockets, a 5/8" spark plug socket that you use with the adjustable wrench here, a tire gauge, zip ties and baling wire, locking pliers, a selection of combination wrenches in SAE as well as 10mm, star drive and Allen drive wrenches, electrical tape and a spark plug gapping tool, a 6-in-1 screwdriver and nut driver tool, and a shop rag. A common question about this toolkit is how to use the 5/8" spark plug wrench, because we don't include any 3/8 drive ratchet in this kit. And the way you do that is you use the adjustable wrench here to grab the hex drive on the end of the spark plug socket. This Roadtech kit is the most comprehensive kit offered by CruzTOOLS for your Harley-Davidson. CruzTOOLS bring professional quality tools at consumer-friendly prices with a lifetime guarantee and a no questions asked warranty on all the tools. CruzTOOLS, you can fix it.
CruzTOOLS. You can fix it.